in the pandemic now, we are always hoping tomorrow to be better.
I think I forgot.
The book that inspired me is Ikigai by Ken Mugi. Ikigai describes the pleasures and meanings of life, and it gives you reasons to wake up in the mornings.
Sejarah visual masakan. Dia berkisahkan tentang sejarah masakan lebih kepada negara daripada Eropah.
The author actually shares it's very important to start small and the importance of being here and now. Start small is because like a lot of us have big dreams but we don't know where to start, and being here and now means we have to enjoy every moment now. Let's say we take examples of we are taking a vacations. We are always very excited about it, but when we are there, we are not really that enjoy because we're actually expecting more. We should be enjoying the process and what we are doing now.
Buku ni bagi aku inspirasi untuk memasak. Sebab sebelum aku nak jadi seorang artis, aku nak jadi seorang chef. Dan juga dalam buku ni ada bermacam jenis lukisan. Dua benda ni bercampur. Tak semestinya kita berkarya di atas pinggan. Kita boleh buat karya di atas kanvas ataupun di atas dinding. Dia boleh jadi berkarya di dalam imajinasi kita sendiri.
In the pandemic now, a lot of us, we are always hoping tomorrow to be better. It should actually be now that is deciding who we are tomorrow.
Hujan batu di negeri orang, tapi hujan emas. Kita pernah dengar hujan batu di negeri orang, hujan emas di negeri sendiri. Tapi mungkin kita boleh tukar hujan itu kepada hujan emas ada di mana-mana. Kerana kita yang membuat hujan emas itu sendiri.